Are you looking for a home in a quiet, established neighborhood on Spokane's Upper South Hill? Well, your search is over. Welcome to 5229 South Altamont Lane in Redhawk Estates. Let's check it out. Upon entering this lovely split-level home and taking a couple steps up the stairs, you are welcomed by a modern, updated kitchen and large, open-concept family room with an abundance of natural light, equipped with a built-in fireplace. Turning back to the kitchen, don't miss the additional informal eating area before taking in the abundant counter space with glass-top range and oven. Don't miss the dishwasher, microwave, and refrigerator. Everything you expect in a functional modern kitchen. Let's head down the hall toward the main floor bathroom, and upon entering the large primary bedroom with king-sized bed and plenty of extra space. Take a moment to look around and don't miss the full updated bathroom with custom his and her sinks and mirrors with full shower and tub. Just around the corner is the second main floor guest room or office area if you like. Take a moment before heading downstairs where you pass the laundry room into the second lower level family room and entertaining or sitting area. Take a moment to look around and take in the space. There is plenty of room for another office area or exercise space. Before leaving the lower level, don't miss the third bedroom just down the hall and the second updated full bathroom before entering the fourth and final large lower level bedroom. Before leaving, take a couple moments and make sure to take in the oversized laundry area with plenty of counter and cabinet space for all your laundry needs. Upon leaving to the backyard, take a couple more moments to enjoy the large back deck with multiple seating areas overlooking the keenly landscaped backyard. Looking back at the home and beautiful trees, don't miss the pleasant seating area over by the well-placed fire pit. Sit a few moments and take it all in, enjoying all this oversized private backyard has to offer. Don't miss out on this wonderful South Hill home close to local restaurants and other convenient amenities like the South Hill soccer fields and much more. Thank you for watching. This home was brought to you by Team Dailey, Kimberly, and Daniel with John L. Scott Real Estate.